Hey guys, I just wanted to come on and film just a quick little eyeshadow look of what I'm going to be wearing today. I just did this yesterday and I really liked it, so I thought I would film a video on it. As you can see, I already have my complexion and everything done, so I'll just be doing my eyes and of course my lipstick. So if you have any questions about complexion or anything, what I use, let me know down in the comments. Or if you watch my first video, granted it's a long one, I do a full face of makeup on that, but I'll be doing just a complexion video pretty soon here. So to get started, today I'm going to be using the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. This one, it's fairly inexpensive. I got it at Ulta. And I'm so sorry, I can't remember if this one was $12 or $18. But either way, it's still a pretty good price for these palettes. And this has more of a peachy color story going on. And I love the holographic background there. It's really pretty. So you've got some mattes, some shimmers, some glitters, some really pretty shades in there. So that's what I'm going to be diving into today. And before I start that, I did just want to mention really quick, because I just got this blush and I've been wearing it every single day. I absolutely love it. It's only $6. It's from e.l.f. It's their primer infused blush, and this is the color Always Cheeky. I got mine at Walmart, but you can get it at Ulta. I think drugstores, Walgreens, kind of most places sell e.l.f. But it's just this really... It's a matte, and it's just this really peachy color. So hopefully it's coming up on camera there. But I really have been enjoying it. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And only $6. So go get that. They have a couple other colors too. Not a ton, but a couple of them. And so I might go back and get a few more. So I'm going to start, like always, with my Morphe lid primer. And I apologize. I still have not put new nails on since my first video. I need to get those taken care of. I've just been lazy. Trying to keep covered here. It's a lazy quarantine day. It's no bra, no nothing going on today. So try and keep that covered up for you. So I have my primer on. So I'm going to go in first. And you know what? Let me grab my brushes here. Give me 1 second, because I didn't actually... If you subscribe to my channel or you watch a lot of my videos, this is only my third, but if you watch more of them in the future, you'll see I do tend to kind of use the same brushes over and over. I have probably hundreds of makeup brushes, and in my kit, in my professional kit that I use on other people, I have lots of different brushes that I'll use. However, for my own personal brushes that I just use on the daily basis, I tend to just kind of use the same ones every single day, no matter what look that I'm doing. So a lot of times if you hear me saying the same brush numbers or brands over and over and over, it's because they're just my tried and true brushes that I absolutely love. But if you know of a really good makeup brush, whether it's for face or eyes or whatever, let me know down in the comments, because I'm a sucker for brushes and I would love to try it out. So let me know what ones you guys like. So I'm going to go in first with my Morphe E27, and I'm going to go all over the lid just to kind of get a base down with this lightest color here called Catch Me. And it's just a matte, light, kind of a beige with a little tone of pink to it. Okay, then I'm going to go in, again, kind of the same way that I always do my looks, just using different colors. So I'm going to grab my Morphe E23, and with this one I'm going to go in with the color Meadow. Actually, I think I'm going to mix a little bit of Meadow and, what is this called? ICYMI, so in case you missed it, would be what that stands for. So these two, they're similar colors, but I'm just going to kind of pick up a little bit of both. And I like to start in that area between the brow bone and above the crease. I wore this the other day, and with the shadow and the blush, and I had kind of a peachy lip, which I'll show you. It was just kind of this really pretty monochromatic peach look, which is really pretty, I think, for coming into the warmer summer months. And of course, my eye looks that I do, they do tend to be a little bit more dramatic. I mean, not super dramatic compared to some makeup looks, but I know for a lot of people who maybe don't wear a lot of makeup or who are older or just don't think that they can pull off that look, which you can, by the way, you can always go in lighter. You don't have to pack on as much. You can go lighter, you can go less, you don't have to bring it up as high. You can definitely modify the looks. And again, let me know in the comments if you have any questions on how to modify any looks that I do or that anyone else might do. So then I'm going to go in with my Morphe, ooh, dropping stuff here, my Morphe 441, and I am going to pick up this matte light brown shade called West Side. Sorry, sometimes it's hard for me to read the names. I'm not wearing my glasses and the light reflects off this holographic background. I'm just going to put that right in my crease. So since I'm in California, but I know most states are still under quarantine for coronavirus, are you guys wearing less makeup on a daily basis? I would imagine most people are. I think kind of the only time I really put makeup on anymore is to film, whether I'm doing a tutorial or just gonna, film some funny stuff for TikTok, whatever it might be. But I'm not doing full face to go to the grocery store or anything. I put on a little bit to go to the grocery store, but nothing like this. So yeah, I just get that brown going on in there. So then I'm gonna go in with my MAC, just my tight little packing brush here, and I'm gonna layer here between Melody and Garden Date, which are similar. They're kind of duochrome colors. This really pretty peachy pinky shade. And get that on my lid. I really like these Colourpop palettes because, like I said, most of them are either like $12 to $16 to $18. And they're a good quality. Some of the shades can honestly be a little bit chalky. Sometimes they're darker shades. In my opinion, do tend to be a little bit chalky. But as far as this palette goes, I mean, everything works really great. This darkest shade here, which I am going to use, it does seem to be a little bit chalkier than the rest of them. But for $12 to $18 to only kind of be bummed out about one color is okay by me. So then I'm going to go in with that other one, the Garden Date, and just kind of pop this on top and then go back in with the lighter one. I really like layering my shadow. I feel like the more layers, the longer it's going to last throughout the day. Then I'm going to take my little Makeup Geek brush. I will eventually find out for you exactly what numbers all of these are, but this is my little Makeup Geek brush that I like to use in my crease. And I'm going to go in with that darker color I was talking about, and it's called Feel Free. And just pop that right in there. Yesterday was Mother's Day. I hope that everyone who celebrates had a nice day. Whether your mom or you're celebrating your mom or grandma or stepmom or whoever it is that you have in your life. Maybe you're a dog mom. I was a dog mom for quite a while before I became a human mom. All right, so get that in there just to kind of darken up that crease. Then that's about it. So at this point, this is because I like to do my eyeshadow first. This is where I would stop and go in and do my foundation and then come back to finish my eye. And I'm just now realizing that I don't have my eyeliner. So let me find that and I will be right back. So just going in with my Sephora black waterproof liner in my inner rim. And then I'm going to go back in and just kind of relayer everything on the bottom. I'm going to go in with that Morphe 441 and pick up again Meadow, and in case you missed it, and like I said, if you don't like to do your shadow on your lower lash line, that's fine. You don't have to. You can just do the top. I just like to do it on the bottom for myself. Then I'm going to go in, I'm going to pick up a little bit of Garden Date and get that in my inside lower lash line, and then top it with Melody. Sorry. So I don't have my glasses on. It's a little hard. And then using the same brush, I'm going to pick up that real dark shade that I have in the crease. And that goes on the outer lower lash line to meet here. Okay. And then the last shade I need to do is my highlight on my brow bone and might pop a little on the inner corner there. So today I'm going to use, this is an old one. I don't even think that they make these anymore. It's an old single shadow from Too Faced, and this is the shade Magic Mushroom. And it looks very pink in the pan, but when it goes on, at least on me, it, because it has like a gold reflect, I really just see the gold. It doesn't quite go on as pink as it looks. I'm just gonna pop that under the brow. And then we'll go ahead and pop a little right there. And that's it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to go and put my mascara on. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my mascara on. I used my Chanel, Le Volume de Chanel mascara. I think if I were actually going to be going out somewhere for a whole day or maybe an evening, I would definitely pop on a pair of lashes with this, and probably some wing eyeliner. I love a good wing liner. I think today though I'm not even going to do any eyeliner. I think I'm just going to kind of let it be as it is, and just kind of really let the colors tell the story of my look today. So I think all that's left is to do my lips. Let me wipe off, I've got some lip gloss on. Just keeping my lips hydrated. So my favorite, Huda Beauty lip liner in Wifey. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC lipstick in Honey Love. So it's a matte color, but it's just this really pretty peachy shade. So you can see that there. Yeah, and I think I might go over it with a gloss. Let me grab a gloss here. Just to kind of stay in the peach look. I've got my drawer of lip here, and that's another thing I want to do too. I need to get it cleaned and a little bit more organized, but I do want to do a makeup desk tour. Just kind of show you guys what I have going on. But gloss wise, I'm going to use, this is an old one too, this is the NYX Butter Gloss in Peach Cobbler. So it's this really bright peachy gloss. There, I think that ties in the peach look pretty well. So let me take my hair down, and I apologize, I haven't actually curled or done anything to my hair today, so it's just kind of my out of the shower wave. But that is my look today. So that's my Colourpop peachy look with the lips and the cheeks. I might throw a little bit more cheek color on. I really do love this blush. There. So now I am ready for my day of quarantine. I think we're actually going to go on a bike ride later and maybe do some skateboarding or something, so we'll see. But that's my look. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. Give me a thumbs up, and of course please subscribe. I love making this content. I look forward to making a lot more for you guys. So I hope that you all stay safe and sane and have a great day and a great rest of your week. Love you all.